Across forests and oceans, animals exchange messages through hidden signals beyond human senses, weaving incredibly complex social networks. The gray wolf communicates with long-range howls and ground vibrations that guide pack decisions during hunts and migrations. Octopuses solve mazes, open jars, and sculpt shelters, displaying problem-solving that rivals many land vertebrates. Beavers engineer wetlands with lodges and dams, creating rich habitats that support countless species long after their own day's end. Ants coordinate astonishing collective work through simple local rules, forming vast colonies that epitomize distributed intelligence.